Present tense with Urdu translation. Present tense witty walk to the store every morning. She drinks coffee before work. Subscribe this channel to watch more videos. He plays soccer on weekends. They study together in the library. We listen to music while cooking. The sun shines brightly today. Birds sing in the trees. I read a book every night. She writes in her journal daily. He rides his bike to school. They watch movies on Friday nights. We eat dinner at 6 p.m. The dog barks at strangers. I take my vitamins every morning. She enjoys painting in her free time. Subscribe this channel to watch more videos. He cooks dinner for his family. They go hiking in the summer. We play board games on rainy days. The flowers bloom in the spring. I feel happy when I am with friends.
She practices yoga every day. He teaches math at the local school. They celebrate birthdays with a party. We travel to new places every year. The kids laugh and play in the park. I exercise regularly to stay healthy. She shops for groceries on Sundays. He fixes cars for a living. They volunteer at the animal shelter. We enjoy long walks by the beach.
The stars twinkle in the night sky.
I always carry a water bottle.
She plays the piano beautifully. He draws comics in his spare time. They go to the gym after work. We love exploring new restaurants. The cat sleeps on the windowsill. I write emails to my friends.
Yushi takes photos of nature. He learns new languages online. They garden together on weekends. Subscribe this channel to watch more videos. We celebrate holidays with family. The baby smiles at everyone. I listen to podcasts during my commute. She collects stamps from different countries. He plays video games with his brother. They plan their vacations in advance. We attend concerts every summer.
The clouds float across the sky. I drink tea before bed. She knits scarves for her friends. He participates in community events. They play chess at the cafe.
Subscribe this channel to watch more videos.
We write letters to pen pals. The trees sway gently in the breeze. I often reflect on my day. She organizes her closet every month. He enjoys fishing on the weekends. They chat over coffee in the mornings. We take family photos during vacations. The children play in the backyard. I practice mindfulness every day. She bakes cookies for her coworkers.
Subscribe this channel to watch more videos.
He reads the newspaper in the morning. They discuss current events at dinner. We make plans for the weekend. The ocean waves crash on the shore. I volunteer at the local food bank. She cares for her elderly neighbors. He studies hard for his exams.
Subscribe this channel to watch more videos.